Hey guys, today I'm gonna be recording a video that's called Milk and Choco. It's a game that is characters that are milk and the other characters that are Choco. Choco means chocolate, so they don't look brown. So this is my character now, and this video is gonna be Battle Royale. They added it like 2 months ago. Let's get right into it. So, this is the start of Battle Royale Milk and Choco. And as you can see, a lot of people has joined. So, I'm going to try to win a game. I won a game before, but didn't catch it on camera. See, behind me another person has joined. And I got the minus something of, oh god, I'm getting shot. Got a sniper. Where is he? Oh. Okay. I'm gonna try again because that wasn't really that much. This video is probably gonna be another 5-minute video like my other. As you can, on my last video I recorded Lords.io. This I'm going to join right here. It is a free app that you can download. This is like Fortnite, but with a little map, no building. I'm gonna try if you can see, I still haven't gotten a gun yet. And I'm really worried that I'm gonna lose again. Oh god. Where? Oh, I see him. No! I don't know what this does. I got a recon. I do not know where to go. I'm not gonna use my backpack until I get really low health. Please, no. I'm getting shot at, but I don't know. I do not know where. I'm sorry that I'm being quiet because I'm trying to win the game and it's taking a long time to do that. 4 minutes into the video, I'm gonna change my mind. I'm gonna do it. Let's say about 6 minutes. Because my other video made it. Well, I still haven't uploaded my video yet, but I will until I get everything set up. So this video, my other video, will be uploaded this week. Okay? that's fine for you. I still haven't found no gun and I am worried. I should heal now because I still want to stay alive. Aha! Guns. I got a kill! Yay! I'm just gonna take this guy out. Gonna take everything he has. Everything's now mine. Assault rifle. Should reload this. Sniper. Reload this as well. Oh, the revolver looks good. And grenades. Oh, there's another person. A crossbow. I'm not gonna get the AK. Oh, I just got it. What else? Oh, that helmet. Yes, I launched into a bomber. Oh, invisible. Oh god, I'm getting sniped. And I died. Oh, I'm just gonna end it there. I know it wasn't that long, but I passed my 6 minutes. But if you enjoyed this video, I'm sorry that I didn't talk that much in this video because I was concentrated on it. Well, please still like the video, subscribe, and comment what other game, even if it has to be something that I have to download. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you.